The rate at which these young adults are being scammed, like, is just too much. It's just too consistent. They need to do something about it. Hey guys, welcome back to Sahara Movies. I'm Lydia and I'm your host for today. Today we're taking a look at the episode 6 of Grow Up or Not. And in this episode, they were scammed again. Like, I keep on saying they should just throw Kiki out of the house, because you can't just have this friendship bond when your friend is not doing anything to improve your lives. Like, she's literally not helping. So just get rid of her, because she's the reason why they were scammed in this episode. And I think it's about time they put a stop to it. It's either they put a stop to the customers who scam them, or they just get rid of their friend. Yes, because that's how I see it. Apparently, this customer came in because she wanted, let me say, it was like a paid job. She was sent to do something, like go into the salon, like the home studio, do her hair, and then later accuse them of theft so that the police can arrest them. And this is because of Kiki. Because if Kiki hadn't followed someone's husband, the person wouldn't have come to these young people who are trying to make a living. She wouldn't have come to their house to torment their lives. And apparently, after they invested so much electricity and time in making this lady, Kiki doesn't lose anything. Like, she doesn't lose anything. So I think it's our time they just sacked her out of the house. And that's why I think, unless she's willing to help, unless she wants to help in the growth of the, like, I don't know how to say it. She should be willing to help. If not, then they should just get rid of her. They should just sack her out of the house, because this will continue every day and every day and every day, and nothing will be done about it. Yeah, so that is what I am talking about on Kiki's attitude, because the rate at which they are being scammed is too much. It's too much. And they don't always have to be calling their parents, else their parents will feel like, so you decide to be on your own, isolate, like be independent, but then you call us for money. What's the point? Then just come and live with us so that we know that we are the one taking care of you. Like, so I think they should do something about, either they take the money before they do the thing, or they get rid of Kiki, because already the landlord is warning them. That because they started a fight, there's a chance of he getting rid of everyone. And why would they let a bad nut destroy the whole soup? They should just get rid of Kiki. That's my point on Kiki's aspect. This episode was very funny. And the part that the lights went out and is because they hadn't paid their bills. I was like, oh, why are they making these people feel like so bad like this? Young ladies who decide to be independent, they are going through so much stress. But I know that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So eventually, they are going to enjoy the fruit of their labor. Funny enough, Reki, who is quite humble, who is rich, let me say, Reki, who is the rich one out of them, is the most humble. Like, she's cool, she's calm. And whereas the other one is loud. The one who sleeps with grown-ups like sugar daddies is very loud. We saw that the customer received a call during the light out problems scene. She received a call and she came out. And I'm very sure the call was from the lady who sent her to do the job. The lady who sent her to steal the money and then accuse them of theft. Yes, so that is one thing I really think. I have strong hopes that the call she received was from the lady who sent her to steal. So right now I'm really feeling pity for them. They are really facing a lot of challenges, and it's likely they'll give up, but I don't think they should give up. I don't think they'll give up. They should push harder, because there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Funny, when the police arrived, there's the drama. When she just came out, where is my 500,000 naira? Where's my 500 naira? That scene, and then acting all weird. So they were just looking for an excuse to put them in trouble. Something that when you go to the police station, it could be a reasonable thing to arrest someone. And she accused them of theft and also bullying, like harassment. I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? Upon all things, because I'm not sure she's going to pay for the hair. Right now that you are saying that your money is missing, there's no way you're going to pay for the hair. So I think that they should do something about this money thing. They should do something about this calming thing, else they always have to go through a lot of disappointments if they don't do anything about this money thing. I think when they come, they'll tell you that this is what I'm paying, and if you're not able to pay, you're not leaving the house. They should be the ones to arrest people instead, else they'll always be disappointed. They will always be disappointed every now and then. So when you come, they'll tell you that this is what you are paying. You are paying 10,000 naira for the hair. Please, do you have it in hand? If not, when we are done and you don't provide the money, we are not going to let you go. Because when they are strict like that, I think people, it's not really suitable. But I think for now that they are starting, they've experienced lots of disappointments and lots of scammers. I think they should take a bold step, take a confident step ahead, and then try to do something about it. Finally, they've been arrested. They are in jail. Now Kiki shows up to bail them. Kiki, you that you don't contribute to let me say groceries, you don't contribute to anything, you are coming to bail your friends. I'm even sure she was happy when they said woman no they bail woman. And I don't understand that. See, maybe it's a policy in Nigeria that woman no they bail woman, but I don't see why. So if your mom is coming to bail you, it doesn't mean she cannot bail you. But that is what they say, woman or they bail woman. And I was like, now that Kiki is voluntarily offering something, they are saying that woman or they bail woman. She's quite stingy. Like she doesn't support, she doesn't do anything. And now that she's deciding to give money to do something, they are saying woman or they bail woman. So let's see. Someone showed up at the last scene. So we are hoping to see a miracle. We are hoping to see good news. Since they are saying woman or they bail woman, and a man has showed up, and the man happened to be he looked familiar. Like they looked familiar to him. So definitely I don't think he's going to leave them behind. Yeah. So some expectations for the next episode. I always say they should sit up. Yes, they should grow up. They should really, really grow up. And I don't think it's cool for this to be happening to them continuously. They need to pay bills. Man gotta pay bills, and they have to step up their game. They have to be strict. Like if they were cool before, they have to be, they have to be hard now, because it's money terms or money we are talking about. So in the upcoming episode, fortunately or definitely they'll be billed. And I think that they are going to learn a lesson from what they've gone through. I think they are really going to learn a lesson from what they've gone through. And right now that Kiki offered to build them, I think she will be willing to help with home, like help financially to keep up manage the house and like the apartments and all that. Yeah. So, and I also think that Mama Moody, she will call her daughter again to ask for money. I'm very confident about that. Mama Moody will not disappoint. Now that she's in hard times, this is the time that she'll call her daughter to ask for money. One thing I noticed is that they have decided to be independent. They have decided to stay on their own. They decided to cater for themselves, to be adults. When they were arrested, Reki didn't call her dad, and that's a good start, because as soon as you call your dad, you make him panic. He will be like, but you decided to be on your own, so why are you always calling me in times of trouble? You should be the adult you want to be. So I'm happy none of them called their parents. It's a good start. They will fix their problems by themselves, and that's a good way to show that you are growing up. That's a good way to show that you want to be independent. Yeah, so let's hold on for the next upcoming episode 7. I think finally they are going to grow through the storm. They are going to come out strong and what? Okay, they are going to come out successfully. Yeah. So let me know your thoughts on this. Have you watched it? Did you like it? Is it something you want to follow? Okay, something I think you should jump on because it's quite educative. Nigerians, very creative people, and I always want to follow their stories. If you are new to this channel, my name is Lydia once again. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, keep on staying awesome. Bye.